In this video, I'm going to be preparing my postpartum station / toilet caddy as I share what's all in my postpartum care kit. Hi, my name is Dancee Pinkston, also known as Fearless Mama, and I'm excited about this video because I have been preparing and nesting as I am 36 weeks pregnant, and today we are putting together my postpartum care station. I'm going to be sharing with you the brands that I felt were suggested the most by mothers before me and by all my pregnant mama friends, 2-time moms, 3-time moms who have given such helpful suggestions to me. So I'm happy to share that with you guys. So with that being said, let's get started on this video. Okay, so first things first, I got the Frida Mom Postpartum Recovery Essentials Kit. Very neat and cool. It has the disposable postpartum underwear, instant ice maxi pads, the perineal cooling pad liners, perineal healing foam, and toilet storage caddy. So I'm going to set that on top of my toilet so that it's there, easy to access. And so I'm going to use most of these items the very first few days, along with these that were highly suggested by a huge mom natural birth group, and they loved the Always Discreet Boutique Maximum underwear, disposable underwear. And they are supposedly feel silky-ish and a little more attractive. So this will be helpful the first few days after birth, and then I'll probably move to these disposable lighter underwear with the Always Flex Foam Maxi Pads. So, and these were also on What to Expect website, and I've used these before and they're awesome. Very breathable and, you know, light, so I think that these will be a good choice. These two things are a must as well. The Frida Mom Upside Down Peri bottle. I used just the regular hospital Peri bottle, but I'm thinking that this upside down bottle is going to be super helpful, and it was suggested by many other moms as well. And the last thing that other moms suggest is just kind of like a soothing spray, and this was one of the top ones suggested by several mamas, the CLARADERM spray. So it's soothing and perfect for after birth. Okay, so let's start putting together my toilet caddy, and I will share with you kind of the steps that you're supposed to do to make a padsicles, I think is what people are calling it. But my labor and delivery nurse called it a pad sandwich, which made so much more sense in my mind, and I will explain that to you in just a few moments. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so as I was unpacking, I noticed that the Frida Mom toilet caddy is just a cardboard box, totally feasible, but maybe you would want something a little more fashionable or sturdy. So I'm going to use one of these baskets that I have had laying around my house. So the first thing you want to do for your pad sandwich, my labor and delivery nurse called it, is get disposable underwear. So the Always Discreet is what I'm going to be using. So that's your step one. Oops. Step one is disposable underwear, and then maybe as you get a little lighter flow going, you can use these Frida Mom boy shorts or switch to your dark underwear. So this is still step one. Then after you have your underwear on, whichever kind you choose, you're going to want to do your cooling pad, maxi pad. And that's what these are. You just kind of, I think you like break it, squish it, and then it's like instantly starts cooling, which is super cool. Then you place your witch hazel healing pad liners, whether that's the circle ones or DIY made ones, but I thought these were pretty cool. And so that is step 1, 2, and 3. Then my labor and delivery nurse called it your topping. So you just spray that on top of your pad liner, and then you are at step 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can, instead of using toilet paper or wet wipes, you can use the Peri bottle, which wet wipes are super helpful as well. So I'll have those close by. Then what you want to do is get a soothing spray, and I'm going to use the Young Living CLARADERM. And another helpful trick, oh, I forgot. So after your flow gets a little lighter, you, instead of using these big honkin' maxi pads, you're going to want to use the Always Flex Foam pads. So I'm going to put that right here. So this would be step 1, your underwear. Step 2 is the pads, whichever you choose. Then step 3 are the liners, the witch hazel liners. Step 4 is the healing foam, and then your soothing spray. Okay, and all of these items that I just went over with you guys are written down in a postpartum station or toilet caddy must-haves printable for you guys. But I wanted to mention a few other things that I'm going to have in my postpartum care routine outside of the toilet caddy, which is some potty support. This is all on the printable as well in the description box below for you. But one thing I'm going to do is put peppermint in my toilet caddy. I'm going to do 2 to 3 drops in the toilet bowl. Right after you have birth, you kind of have trouble using the bathroom, and this vapor from the peppermint essential oil just helps with increasing urine flow for you guys. So another thing is a natural stool softener. I'm going to use chlorophyll supplement, which is super yummy in a drink. It helps with digestion. You can also do probiotics or increase your fiber intake to help with your potty support. Hi, baby.
Hello, Mama.
Okay, Landry woke up, so she's joining us. Okay, another thing I have written down on the printout are the cleansing items, the upside down Peri bottle, and you can use unscented wet wipes. Bless you, baby. Another great thing to have on hand are natural pain relievers, like the Wish Garden After Ease supplement, which I'm taking in my what to pack for your hospital birth or birth center birth bag. And you can also use arnica flower supplement. Another cool things that are super soothing is it's called After Birth Sitz Bath Herbal Mix. Super helpful for postpartum healing, and you can just, you know, incorporate that in your postpartum care routine and make a little herbal bath for yourself,
Mommy.
along with Epsom salt, and maybe even buy yourself a Perry sitting cushion. That would be helpful as well. So that's all I have. Make sure to check out the description box with that free printable, and I will have these items linked below so they're easy to find. Some of these are kind of maybe embarrassing to buy, so it's nice when Amazon comes in handy to just order these things straight to your door. So I will link those down below with the brands that I like. Oh yeah, this is a Perry bottle. With that being said, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.